Hey there, Titans, and welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Today we'll be talking about push messages that you can configure in your Titan projects. We'll show you how you can set up messages so that when errors pop up for your end users, they can see the errors and you can write a dedicated message for them to see. Let's get started. So I've already got a form set up and I'm creating a contact here in Salesforce, and I've already mapped my fields and set up my push and everything. And we'll head over to my push, we'll edit it. And if I head over to the messages section here, we have a few options. So first of all, we can decide whether or not we want to show error messages to our users. If I click show messages to users, then I can first of all put here a static message, as well as I can write text for what will be on the button. So let's say your integration failed, for example. And I'll also put something for the button, confirm, let's say. And here we also have additional options such as disabling the form while saving. This essentially will not allow your end users to navigate elsewhere or click on other buttons while the integration is running. So this can be handy to keep on or off. And we also can decide what message appears when the form is saving. So your record is being saved, for example. And I'll go ahead and apply. Now let's take a look at what that will do. I'll save and preview. And first, let's just fill this out normally. So let's say Tom, very low, and we'll go ahead and submit that. And you can see that it said your record is being saved on the preloader that was running right over there. Now, let's try to do it again, and this time, let's see what an error message looks like. So we should get an error here because I can't create a contact without a last name. So let's try to create that contact. And as you can see, we have the message that we wrote, which was your integration is failed. That was the message that we configured. And we also have the actual error message returned from Salesforce that shows us, my end user, what went wrong here. Of course, we also have the text for the button, which we set up as well. So that's how it's done. We'll just show you one more time here. You head over to the Salesforce action. You head over to the messages tab. And again, you can decide to have a static message for any error messages, and that will come along with the error message returned from Salesforce. You can have a text for the button there. You can also have a message for your preloader, regardless of whether the integration fails or not, just that your end user knows what's happening when they run the integration. And that's how it's done.